So welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Brenda. I'm an esthetician here on YouTube, and if you're not new, hello, thank you for watching my content. Today's video is another skincare related video. We're gonna talk about a couple of no ingredients that you would see typically on skincare products, where it would say no parabens, no fragrances, and we're gonna talk about why these skincare products don't contain these different ingredients, and we're also going to talk about some of the benefits of some of these ingredients and if you actually should steer clear of some of these ingredients. So the first no ingredient would have to be preservatives. So many people see no preservatives on, skincare products, or a lot of people say I don't want preservatives in my skincare, and I want to talk about preservatives. So preservatives are and they also are known as parabens, because parabens are preservatives. Preservatives are ingredients that help with the longevity of an actual skincare product. Skincare products are consisted of different various ingredients, and if you have a skincare product and you want your skincare product to be free of any mold, you want it to keep its longevity, it needs to have preservatives in it. Preservatives help to really conserve that formulation and really help that product to last a lot longer. The next no ingredient that I want to talk about is fragrances. So I made a whole video not too long ago about the brand Murad, and in that video I made that video because I said the brand had a lot of fragrances and dyes, and it can cause contact dermatitis. So with fragrances, there are so many videos on fragrances on YouTube, and I'm going to link two of my favorite videos, one from a cosmetic chemist and another from another esthetician, where they explain it very well and in depth. I personally don't think that you need to steer clear of fragrances unless you have sensitive skin, but fragrances can cause your skin to react very negatively, whether that be sensitizing your skin, making your skin more reactive. Next no ingredient that I want to talk about is surfactants. So surfactants are ingredients that help to increase the spreadability of an actual product. You'll see these in a lot of cleansing products with cleansing agents like sodium lauryl sulfate, for instance. That's a surfactant used in a lot of cleansers. I made a whole video a long time ago about cleansing nose, and in that video, when I mentioned cleansing nose, I said do not use high foaming cleansers with sodium lauryl sulfate, because this is a very harsh surfactant that can be very drying and irritating to the skin, and that I still stand by to this day. The last no ingredient that I want to talk about is alcohols. So alcohols, so many people fear alcohols in skincare, and there are drying alcohols like actual rubbing alcohol, which I'm not going to pronounce the actual name for rubbing alcohol. Alcohols typically are not all bad alcohols, because there are very fatty emollient alcohols which moisturize the skin, like for instance central alcohol. That is a fatty alcohol that really moisturizes the skin, and you'll see it in a lot of skincare. So this is my video all about some no ingredients and my opinion on some of these no ingredients. Like I mentioned, I will leave actually two videos talking about fragrances if you're interested. I personally don't want to speak too in depth about fragrances. It's very complex. I personally don't care for a lot of fragrances anyways in my products, but with fragrances it could be very complex. So I'll definitely link two videos that you can watch where it definitely informs you more about fragrances as well as dyes. And yeah, so hopefully you liked this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.